Welcome back. Today we are doing a deep dive into the Chanel Rouge Noir 2026 Confidence Palette. But I'm doing things a little differently with my tools today. To get that perfect seamless glow in this moody Gothenburg light, I'm bringing out a personal favorite, the number 110 blush brush from a previous limited edition set. And I'll be using the new number 104, which is traditionally for foundation or blush, as my highlighter brush today. Let's see how this combination handles these rich plum tones. First, the blush. I'm using the number 110. Even though it's from an older collection, its tapered shape is perfect for the pigmented plum shades in this palette. It allows for such a targeted application, so the color stays exactly where I want it without looking too heavy. It really proves that Chanel brushes are a lifetime investment. The quality hasn't changed a bit over the years. Now for the highlighter, I'm using the number 104. I love using a denser brush like this for highlighters because it really buffs the shimmer into the skin rather than just letting it sit on top. Watch how it picks up that soft pink shimmer from the Confidence palette. It creates this airbrushed high shine finish that looks incredible even on a grey day. The density of the 104 makes the glow look like it's coming from within the skin. Moving to the eyes, I'm using the 203 shading brush. It's the perfect size for tucking those plum tones right into the crease. And for that classic Rouge Noir definition, the 204 eyeliner brush is a dream. It's stiff enough for precision but soft enough to smudge for a vampy look. These eye brushes feel like extensions of your fingers. They do all the blending work for you, which is what you want in a luxury tool. The final result is this sophisticated vampy glow. By mixing older limited editions with the 2026 collection, you can really customize the payoff. If you have the 110 in your collection, definitely pull it out for this palette. And don't be afraid to repurpose the 104. It's a multitasker. Everything is linked below. What do you think of this confidence look? Let's chat in the comments.